What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Bluetooth device not working on Windows 10. We will discuss the method you need to use to fix your Bluetooth device not working on Windows 10. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. Method 1. Check the basic troubleshooting. Here you have to check the basic troubleshooting, like you have to make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on, turn off the Bluetooth and turn it on again to check that if that could be a problem. Move the Bluetooth device closer to the Windows 10 computer to make sure that it's connecting, it's transmitting all the voice properly between your Bluetooth and your computer. They are interacting properly to each other. You have to make sure that all of things are correct or not, like turn on the Bluetooth device, check the device support, confirm that the device supports Bluetooth, restart your computer, check the Windows 10 updates, check the Bluetooth conflict, anything like that. If you have any other Bluetooth in your room or somewhere near to you, so make sure they are not conflicting. I have seen that problem, so that definitely cause a problem. If you have connected your particular headphone Bluetooth to your computer and to your mobile phone, then there could be a conflict. So remove the Bluetooth device and reconnect it again. Just simply add the Bluetooth device. These are the basic troubleshooting you have to check on your Windows 10 PC to make sure that the Bluetooth are not showing you the error message because of some kind of basic problems. Method 2. Update driver. Here you have to go into the device manager, simply do a right click on Windows icon. You'll see the device manager in here, click on it. In this list you'll get the Bluetooth option show up here. You simply have to do a right click on that, like you just have to do a double click and do a right click and select update driver, and that's how you can simply update the drivers of your Bluetooth. And make sure you select the search automatically for drivers. If that helps you to update the driver, then it's good. If not, then click on browse my computer for drivers and select these options. Let me check and select the proper option from here. Method 3. Uninstall and reinstall Bluetooth device. You have to do the same thing. Do a right click on Windows icon, click on device manager. In this list you'll see the Bluetooth, double click on that option and simply uninstall the device. After uninstalling, restart your computer to check that if that helped you to fix a problem. Method 4. Check services. In this method you have to check that the services are running properly in your Windows 10 PC or not. For to check the services, type in here services.msc. You can type the services as well and you'll see in here, click on open. From this list you have to search for Bluetooth support services. So simply type B and you'll see something like Bluetooth support services like this. As you can see right now, this services is off on my PC. So do a right click, click on properties and here click on start. Once it is start, you have to select some option from here like automatic and click apply and OK. Afterward, restart your PC once to make sure services start working on your Windows 10 PC. It will start showing you the Bluetooth option and it start working on your PC. Method 5. Troubleshooting. In this method you have to do a troubleshooting. So click on the Windows icon, click on the settings, click on update and security, click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooters. Here you can see Bluetooth, click on it and select run the troubleshooter. It is start detecting the problems including the services as well. It's just checking the capability and you can see device do not have Bluetooth connected. Right now I do not have Bluetooth connected to my PCs. If you have your Bluetooth connected to your PC, then it will show different option in here. Just simply click on next and troubleshoot that and afterward close and restart your PC. Method 6. Power management. In this option you have to change some power management settings, and in most of the tech forums this method has mentioned that it solved their problems. So what you have to do, you have to do a right click on Windows icon, click on Device Manager. Here you'll see the Bluetooth option and just do a double click on that option. For my case, I'm selecting sound and video game control, something like that for now, and do a right click and click on Properties. And here you'll see something like Power Management. If you'll get that, then select that option and uncheck the option which says allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and afterward click OK and restart. I'm pretty sure these methods will definitely help you to solve the problem. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video, then give a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.